Wait. I turned off the lights and there are still things glowing in my room. Floaty sparkly blobs. Just drifting around. Am I going blind? Is this how it starts?
You're not going blind.
Then why are there floating lights in the dark? I can see them right now. Little glowing blobs just floating there.
I know. And here's the wild part, those lights aren't coming from your room. They're coming from inside your brain.
My brain is glowing? Am I some kind of radioactive mutant?
Not exactly. Tell me, what do you think your eyes actually do?
They see stuff. Light goes in, I see the light.
Mostly right. Your eye is packed with millions of tiny cells called rods and cones. Their entire job is to catch light and fire a signal to your brain.
Yeah, rods and cones, I've heard this part.
Here's the part nobody tells you, those cells don't need real light to fire. They fire on their own, randomly, even in total darkness.
They just go off by themselves? For no reason?
Like a smoke alarm that beeps even when there's no smoke. Your rod cells get restless, fire a random signal, and your brain receives it and thinks, oh, we must be seeing light.
But there is no light. The room is pitch black. I checked.
Your brain doesn't know that. It sits in total darkness inside your skull. All it knows is, signal from I equals light. So it believes it.
My brain is being tricked by its own eye?
Your brain is always guessing. It takes signals and makes its best interpretation. In the dark, the random noise from your resting cells is loud enough to actually see.
That is deeply unsettling. And also kind of amazing. Scientists have a name for this, right?
They do. What you're seeing is called a phosphene. And here's something fun, you can make them happen on purpose. Press very gently on your closed eyelid.
Like this? Presses I pressed too hard.
I said gently.
Ow. But I saw purple rings. It worked. And also OW.
Physical pressure squeezes your retina. Same cells, same random firing, same brain going, I guess we're seeing something. Same phosphene, completely different cause.
So my eye gets tricked by darkness and by being squeezed? What else tricks it?
Temperature changes. A tiny electric current. And here's the genuinely wild one, astronauts in space see random flashes of light even with their eyes completely closed.
Astronauts? Why?
Cosmic rays. High-energy particles from outer space shoot straight through the spacecraft wall and through their retinas, triggering those exact same cells.
Cosmic rays. So astronauts are literally seeing space particles with their eyes?
Every single day on the space station, yes.
Okay, but I'm not in space. So my floating blobs are just my neurons being bored?
In total darkness, with no real light coming in, the random background noise of your nervous system gets loud enough to see. Your brain can't tell the difference between real light and neurons fidgeting.
I am going to use this to explain to my parents why I need the hallway light on.
That's not what this means.
It means my brain is confused and needs light to function correctly.
It means your brain is perfectly normal and you should go to sleep.
Fine. But I'm going to say goodnight to the phosphenes first.
Good night.
Good night, phosphenes. See you in the dark.